makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? So I'm excited for this video as always. So today I'm going to be doing lip swatches of a couple of lip kits from Kylie Cosmetics I have right here. Kylie Cosmetics recently had a buy one get one free sale on lip kits, and I've wanted to buy more of her lip kits for a really long time. I bought the original 3 and I did enjoy the formula, but I have not bought anything or any lip products from her since, and I've just been waiting. And then when I saw the sale, I was like, you know what, I cannot help myself, so I got 4 and I only had to pay for 2. I'm like, what a good deal. I literally have them almost all backwards. I'm such a great YouTuber. So here are the lip kit packaging of the shades I got. So the most unique one is the shade Ironic. This is like a green shade, and I wanted this for the longest time. I talked about it in one of my new makeup release videos, and I said that I wanted it, but I did not know if I was going to be able to pull it off. And I actually had someone come for me, and she was like, do you think you're not going to be able to pull it off, or are you just not self-confident? And I was like, dang, that really hurts. So I actually did end up buying this because it was free. And I'm really excited because I've been trying to, you know, just explore a little bit more of unique lip colors, although I will say that I am 100% a like colorful eye makeup and a nude lip kind of girl. But this is pretty cool shade. And then all 3 other shades that I got are kind of like warm, darker shades. So the one that I'm wearing at this very moment is Ginger, and this is the lightest shade that I got. I think it's really, really beautiful. And I was deciding between a few different colors, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get Ginger because I'm a ginger and it just works out. And I do think it's really, really pretty, and I think that all the shades that I grabbed today are like pretty great shades for fall, which is thankfully upon us. I cannot wait. And then the next shade I grabbed is Pumpkin, which is a pretty like orange, like a dirty orange shade, which I love those kind of shades, so I was excited about that. And then the last one that I grabbed is Brown Sugar. Okay, can I just say that this Brown Sugar shade is the most beautiful nude on people with deeper skin tones. It's seriously stunning. I cannot get over how pretty it is. I wanted to pick it up because I've been loving different shades of brown lipstick. I have the True Brown K, which is like a super dark, rich brown. And this one I would describe more as like a milk chocolate brown, at least on my skin tone. So I think that this is really, really pretty. And I do like the formula of Kylie liquid lipsticks. And I can tell you that they have definitely improved from the first batch that they did. It feels very similar on the lips, but it honestly feels like there's nothing on my lips at all, which I think is amazing. It's just super comfortable. Actually, it's comfortable despite the fact that I literally just put 4 lipsticks on and took 3 of them off, which is pretty crazy. And I love that they have a matching lip liner. So overall, I'm excited about my purchase. So if you want to see how these liquid lipsticks look on fair skin, then just keep watching.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up. afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna light it up tonight. We're gonna light it up tonight. We're gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We're gonna light it up now. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night.
So that is everything for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.